The participation in the Automotive Circle related with paint is, let's say, mandatory for us, because here we consider that the main actors of this sector are coming to here.
Overall, the quality of the presentations are really outstanding.
To talk after each presentation, also to exchange, to ask questions, to go deeper in some topic.
Most important part is the connecting, get to know other people from OEMs, from our suppliers, get in contact and change information and experiences.
Because we have the chance, the opportunity to meet both with customers and with also competitors or other company representatives which are in the same business where we are.
Especially the applications, what we see here for future business in the automotive industry, this is the point which makes it really interesting for us.